Is SAP BTP becoming SAP Business AI platform? Hello everyone. Welcome back to another SAP learning session. Over the last few months, have you noticed something interesting in the SAP ecosystem? Earlier, almost every discussion was about SAP BTP. But now, everyone seems to be talking about SAP Business AI, Joule, and AI agents. So, does this mean SAP BTP is being replaced? Not at all. Let's understand what's really happening. The shift in SAP. Earlier, SAP BTP was mainly known as the platform for building applications, integrations, and extensions. Today, the conversation has evolved. Organizations are now focusing on building AI-powered business applications using SAP Business AI. However, one thing hasn't changed. SAP BTP is still at the center of everything. Instead of disappearing, it's becoming the foundation that powers SAP's AI ecosystem. How everything fits together. Let's simplify the architecture. Think of SAP BTP as the foundation. On top of it, different SAP technologies work together to build intelligent business solutions. SAP BTP provides the development platform. SAP Business Data Cloud delivers trusted and business-ready data. Joule Studio allows developers to build and customize AI agents. Integration Suite connects SAP and non-SAP systems seamlessly. SAP Build helps create applications, workflows, and automations with low-code and pro-code tools. AI governance ensures security, compliance, and responsible AI across the enterprise. Together, these technologies enable organizations to move beyond traditional applications and build intelligent, AI-driven business processes. The future of SAP development. As developers, our role is changing too. It's no longer just about writing ABAP code or building fiery applications. Today's SAP developers are expected to create AI-powered solutions using technologies like SAP Business AI, Joule, Joule Studio, SAP BTP, RAP, CAP, Business Data Cloud. The future of SAP development is all about combining business processes with artificial intelligence. So, here's the biggest takeaway. SAP Business AI is not replacing SAP BTP. Instead, SAP BTP is becoming the platform that powers SAP Business AI. BTP is the foundation. Business AI is the intelligence built on top of it. If you are planning your SAP career, now is the perfect time to start learning SAP BTP, SAP Business AI, Joule, RAP, CAP, and Clean Core. I learned many of these modern SAP technologies through Anubhav training, where the focus is on live classes, hands-on projects, and real-world implementation. If you are interested in building expertise in SAP BTP and SAP Business AI, you can explore their training programs. Visit at www.anubhavtrainings.com. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next SAP learning session.